Combining beans today. We're running a 3.7 Maturity Pioneer Plenish bean. We take our Plenish beans to an ADM processor, actually get a little premium, and end up at Nestle, so kind of interesting fact there. Currently running a 2017 John Deere S680 and 2015 Macdon FD75D, which is a 45-foot draper head. We'll let you take. Beans are tough. We don't have sun today, so my ground speed's slowed a bit. Beans are running right around that 70 average, so not too bad. We're getting ready to do a move and get on down the road. There's rain actually coming tonight, so with rain on the way, we'll try to kind of stay close to home. Oh, it's always nice to get the machine home and during the rain and do some of the work, fix things, whatnot. A lot of things are kind of pieced together when we're busy. So kind of looking forward to getting that, but at the same time, I hate to see things slow down. You know, we're making progress. But flip around, let you guys enjoy. We're about to finish this field and move on. Touch base again later. Feeding really nice today. Just a little on the tough side, 14% range, which I'm okay with in the bin. Combine's doing a good job of getting any green pods or any debris and foreign material out of the sample. John Deere always makes a nice sample. Rain on the way and no sunshine. Just had to slow down a bit. Still rolling. Pretty close. We're on a 45-foot head and a 26-foot auger, so we kind of tuck it in between the cart there. So we can dry up to 2,300 bushels an hour at 5 points, which we should be able to get around 2,000 an hour as soon as we get things rolling. We dump trucks in about 10 minutes, roughly. So 3 to 4 trucks we can keep things rolling. Really need 4. 220 bushel corn right now, so going down and then back is your 800 bushels in half-mile rows, and a semi's 1,000, so down and back is a semi. So some pretty crazy volumes that we're going to deal with. Getting things fired back up. Decided to shut down, take some fuel on. I've been setting a line and actually using that. Yes, we want to continue with coverage. And you can see our steering line. So when we want to steer, first we've got to eliminate this. Then on the handle we have an auto steer button, and I can actually line up close and it will auto steer on that line. Now on corn, sometimes we have to move our line, and if I want to, I can tap that and it moves the line together. No, we don't want a software update. Not at the moment. We're in a 138 acre field. There's a 70 right there. 75 was in beans right here. There's a 65 over there, and 27 of beans right there. So kind of a nice neighborhood.